Hi, my name's Amanda and I'm here to show you how to get started with Shark's latest family of corded vacuums. The Shark Vertex Ultralight DuoClean Power Fins with Self-Cleaning Brushroll and the Shark UltraLight with Self-Cleaning Brushroll. The Shark UltraLight family of vacuums is where Shark's most advanced engineering and best cleaning technologies collide. Both vacuums include a power fin roller for non-stop contact on carpets and floors and a soft front roller to pull in all particles and give a polished look to hard floors. These vacuums also feature an advanced hand vac that weighs less than 3 pounds but packs the suction power of a full-sized vacuum. The user interface allows for seamless transitions across all floor types, and the easy-to-empty removable dust cup makes cleanup a breeze when you're done vacuuming. So to start, let's go ahead and see how easy it is to get these assembled. To assemble both members of the Shark UltraLight family, place the nozzle on the floor with the neck upright, insert the wand until it clicks into place. Next, attach the onboard storage clip to the right side of the wand and attach your desired accessory. Attach the crevice tool at the top and the dusting brush at the bottom, making sure they are securely on the clip. Then insert the handheld vacuum into the wand until it clicks into place. You can also easily store the hand vac on the wand for a compact storage mode. I personally love using the hand vac because it's the perfect size to fit in small spaces, and I feel like I'm always pulling it out to clean cereal off the floor or whatever other small messes my boys make. To store this, wrap the cord around the cord hook, starting at the top and circling it around the bottom. The main difference between the two models are the nozzle technologies. The Shark Vertex has the DuoClean power fins with 2 brush rolls, a soft front roller that pulls in all kinds of particles and gives hard floors a polished look, while the DuoClean power fins roller delivers non-stop contact to pick up more in every pass. The Shark UltraLight has a self-cleaning brush roll that eliminates hair wrap as you clean. Now, we have 2 dogs and 4 cats, so trust me when I tell you these vacuums are amazing with picking up pet hair. Now, when you're ready to put these vacuums to use, just twist the top cord hook down to release the cord. The vacuum is ready to go. It's that quick and easy. If you're looking for additional tips and tricks, visit us at sharkclean.com.